Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's find the date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options. Currently, some of them are inactive. It is because we are using automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers. We can turn off this one also, or maybe later on. Basically, after turning off the automatic option, we can tap on the date and here manually choose the date we want to use from this calendar. So just find it and tap on it, and of course confirm it. The same situation with the time, you can choose it from this clock and confirm it with OK. Of course, it will be immediately applied. The time zone, just tap on it and tap on the region, and here you can change the time zone. Just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one, it will be, of course, you can choose. You can make some further choices just by tapping on them, and it will be immediately applied again. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will change according to it, of course. Let's go back. Here we've got also the time format, so we can use local default, so it will be the automatic option, or we can manage it manually. So here we've got 12-hour format right now. After tapping on the switcher, we can apply 24-hour one, so it's up to you, of course. And this is the whole customization. You can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.